Alright, so you guys, Jasmine started the dishwasher and the soap is up. What happened?
I don't know. The dishwasher just started leaking.
I told her to do this because it's a much better option than wasting a bunch of towels. Get the soap away. Do you need help?
Were we not supposed to put Dawn liquid in here? We didn't have none of this left.
Did you ask him?
Raven, come help me!
How am I supposed to help you? We only have one dishwasher. Well, not one dishwasher. One of those things.
Bro, it's not going now.
Well, duh, you got water on it.
The water helps it go down.
In some cases. Pressure makes it go down. Water makes it fuzz up.
I'm done, bro. I'm so done. I'm really soaking wet.
This is funny.
No, it's not. I already look like I'm finna go swimming. Swimming in the house. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing.
That would have been so funny if it ended up like filling this entire
room.
room.
The whole kitchen like this.
Well, I brought towels when you're done.
I'm not finishing the dishes. I'm sorry. I don't think I should see what I did.
Well, you are the one that did that.
Carrying water.
It's not your butt I'm recording. No. Someone keeps lying to you.
Huh?
I'm sorry. It's down there.
Are you recording stuff? Was I not supposed to do that?
No. No.
I put it in here.
No. No. That's not how it works. Only if it was.
Put stuff in there though. But we didn't have no more of that cleaning stuff that goes in there, so I just used that. I was thinking, well, at least they're clean now. I mean, they are clean. It's just they're talking. Daddy's probably gonna be like,
what happened to my kitchen?
Why is all that soap in there? What?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what you're talking about. You heard me get this down.
Before you actually asked.
Yeah, I told you to go now.
Yeah, but you were originally just having water flow into it, so it was just building it up. See, wasn't this a much better option of...
No! Just turn off. Turn off! Okay, well.
Just leave it open.
I am.
Did you enjoy learning this, whatever you want to call this? Learning a better way of handling this?
Bro, there's soap everywhere. Oh my gosh.
It's not wanting to come up.
It's not.
These two are dirty towels. Sort of. I think that one was technically dirty. You gotta get over here too from your shoes.
Shut up. Oh my gosh. I really don't know what to do. Bro, this stuff is everywhere. Well, I think we mopped the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's very clean. It's all soapy.
Don't close!
I'm thinking. Oh, I heard it go off. So okay. I'm gonna leave this under here.
Being the best sister ever and not helping.
Because I do not want to come home to a soaking.
What if it turned on while we were gone?
Oh, yeah, that's not funny. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to come home.
Oh boy, his water bill will go up. You actually have hair in your arms.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No, because you don't have hair anywhere.
Okay, can you turn off the camera?
Why? Are you embarrassed?
No. I'm not embarrassed. I didn't do it.
You didn't do it.